Hello guys, so welcome to my channel, this side Bridges. So today I am going to tell you how you can install the PowerShell module to access Exchange Online. So now let's start PowerShell as an administrator. Now we have sub command which we need to run. So first we will check list available. So this is the list. Now let's set repository. Yes. Now let's bypass this. Yes. Now let's import the module. You can see it's done. Now let's install module for all. I will paste all the commands in description box so that you can get it easily. Now let's check version table. That's 15. Now let's run import module command. That's done. Now let's connect Exchange Online. So you can see guys, I am able to access. Administrator. Allow yes. So you can see guys, I am able to access. It's done. It's still working. Yeah, now it's done. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. I will paste all the commands guys in the description box so that you can get it easily. So you can see it is very easy to install the modules and get Exchange Online. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.